Hi everyone, this is Emmy. I'm posting a free pattern for you on my blog, and you'll find the link below in the first comment. It's a very easy pattern, and it's worked bottom up. And here it is in a few other colors. And I'm going to try to keep my future videos below 8 minutes, because YouTube is now adding very long ads at the beginning of 8-minute or longer videos, and you can't click them off. So click the link below in the first comment and in the description to get the free pattern on my blog. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.